Welcome to How to Wave. If your OneDrive icon is missing from the taskbar in Windows 11, here's how to fix it. First, check if OneDrive is running by searching for OneDrive in the Start menu and opening the app. If the icon still doesn't appear, ensure it's enabled in the taskbar. Right-click on the taskbar, select Taskbar Settings, scroll down to System Tray Icons and enable OneDrive. Next, check your startup apps by pressing Ctrl+ Shift+ Escape to open the Task Manager, navigating to the Startup tab and ensuring OneDrive is enabled. If it's still missing, reset OneDrive. In the Run dialog with Win+R, type %localaptita%\Microsoft\OneDrive\OneDrive.exe/reset and press Enter. Relaunch OneDrive from the Start menu if it doesn't restart automatically. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to How to Wave for more helpful guides.